What is up, you guys? I'm just in the middle of editing this video and I realized that something went wrong with my iPad screen recording. So you're gonna see scenes of me looking down at writing. I was planning to have that writing put up on the screen, but that won't be happening. So please excuse the weirdness of me looking down to write, but still give this video a watch. There's a lot of value in this video that I think that you would benefit from, and we'll be back to the regular proper videos this week. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Today has been insanely busy. Right now we're coming up on 11 o'clock, but I haven't posted a video in a while, so I'm gonna get one recorded here and I'm gonna get it posted out. So what is the topic of today's video? Today I wanna go over a specific conversation in the VAS-based world. Now, what is a VAS-based business? I've made other videos going over exactly what it is and the details of that business, but I will link a video down below. But in shortness, a VAS-based business is a virtual accounting service-based business. Now that can fall under corporate taxes, personal taxes, corporate bookkeeping, payroll, stuff like that. Now, in this video, I want to go over a specific topic, and it comes from getting comments and people saying to me that starting a VAS-based business takes a lot of time, a lot of effort, and it's a very slow moving process. Now, if you don't know what you're doing, they are 100% right, because when I first started, I spent the first 4 months with 0 clients, 0 income, 0 everything. In fact, I lost money in those 4 months. I think I lost about $6,000 just keeping up with expenses, buying coaching programs, courses, stuff like that. I was in the hole by $6 grand. I didn't sign my first client until about 4 months after I actually started. Now, obviously I quickly grew from there, but the point is, if you don't know what you're doing, then yeah, you're gonna spin your wheels and you're gonna go nowhere. Now, if you know what you're doing, to be set for life with your VAS-based business is very easy. It's very straightforward. And there was a concept that I wanted to think about, and it was the concept KISS, keep it simple, stupid. So I'm gonna break out the whiteboard here, and what I wanted to explain to the people that comment that it takes forever and it's hard to do and it doesn't set you up for life or whatever, you're right if you don't know what you're doing, but you're wrong if you do know what you're doing. And if you follow my content, then you know what you're doing, and if you don't, then you will. Just keep watching, okay? So the reason why this business sets you up for life is because the churn rate is so low. Okay, I wanna highlight that. That's not a highlighter. Here's a highlighter. The churn rate is so low. Now, what does churn mean? Churn is the time that you sign a client to the time that client leaves. Now, if you're gonna start any kind of other business, the churn rate is typically very high. So social media marketing agency, content, videography, stuff like that, those are high churn rate businesses. I believe the average is 1 to 2 month churn rate per client. Some agencies get to 3 months plus. Those are very rare and they're killing it. But for the most part, I think like 80 or 90% of those social media marketing agencies have a churn rate of 1 to 2 months. And the retainer, it's not that high. Other businesses, it's even lower. So drop shipping, you don't even have clients, you have customers. And the difference between those is a customer is a one-time purchase versus a client is multiple purchases for multiple periods. So in a VAS-based business, okay, the churn rate, you can expect the churn rate for a VAS-based business to be low. And now what is low in terms of numbers? Low is 5 years. I'm gonna move this. 5 years if you are average. So 5 years if you're average, okay? That is a super, super low churn rate. And if you're following my content, you're being coached by me, essentially, you're not gonna be average, you're gonna be killing it, okay? So 5 years, right? Let's move that over. A VAS-based business, let's say that you're offering monthly bookkeeping services, which every single business needs. Don't even say that they don't need it, they absolutely do. So if they need monthly bookkeeping, depending on the size of the client, your rates are gonna range anywhere from $300 to $600 per month. Now, I have some clients who I bill $800 a month, others $1,500 a month, but those are super high-end clients and they need a lot of work done, okay? I'll make a separate video going over why when you're first starting out, you wanna go over the smaller fish and only charge them $300 to $600 per month, because those files are easy to work on. There's a lot of them, and it's quick work for $300 to $600. So $300 to $600, let's say you meet in the middle of here, and your average bill rate is $400 a month. To be set free, you only need 20 clients. Maybe for you and your lifestyle, less, okay? I know some people who get 12 clients and they're done. They don't want any more. They pay their bills, they put enough away for saving and investing. They can splurge on a little vacation every now and then, nothing too major. Their income relatively stayed the same to when they had their 9 to 5, but their freedom blew up. They can work when they want, they can work where they want. But let's say that you're not like that. Let's say you really want to build this up, okay? And you get 20 clients, which 20 clients, if you're following my systems and processes and you're doing what I'm telling you, you can hit 20 clients within 3 months. 3-4 months. Let's say you're quite bad at implementing this stuff and you're a bit of slow learner. You could have 20 clients within 6 months, guaranteed. So, I've got my calculator here. 20 clients at an average of $400 a month is $8,000 in monthly recurring revenue. That right there to me is freedom money to the average person. Because $8,000 a month, you're gonna be operating on, let's say you've got super high expenses on 75% profit margins, okay? So you have to take off $2,000 a month in expenses, which this is way over. If you're bringing in 8,000 and you're spending 2, you've got a huge issue, okay? You've got bigger problems. On $8,000 a month, your expenses should be no more than $1,000. And even that is high. So let's say that it's 2,000. You're netting $6,000, okay? That is freedom money right there. Maybe it's not Lamborghini freedom money or Ferrari freedom, private jets and stuff like that, but it is freedom from your 9 to 5, location, and freedom, okay? Now to get 20 clients, just like I said, you can achieve this in 1 to 4 months very comfortably. And if you're a little slow, 6 months. So, think about it. Let's just call it 6 months. Let's say everybody watching this is a little on the slow side. In 6 months, you could be making $8,000. And if you follow what I say, your expenses are not gonna be $2,000. They're gonna be more like $1,000. So you're gonna be making $7,000 a month, okay? What would your life be with $7,000 coming in a month? You can work where you want, you can work when you want, you can work how you want, and you can actually be financially free. Okay, $7,000. That pays for your mortgage, rent, your car payments, insurance, gas, groceries. A modest lifestyle should cost you no more than $3,000 to $4,000 at the very most. And I'm talking a basic modest lifestyle. So if you're living a modest lifestyle, basic lifestyle, at $4,000, and this is on the high end, okay? And you're bringing in 7, you're saving $3,000 a month. Now, what you do with this $3,000, multiple things. You can put it away in savings, you can invest it in the stock market, you can reinvest it back into your business, you can buy coaching programs, you can buy courses, you can learn more skills, offer more skills that you could charge more for, grow your business, you could possibly bring on a lot more clients, hire staff, and just keep growing. The opportunities are endless with this. Or $3,000, you could go on a nice family vacation with that, or save up. Save that $3,000 for 3 months. Now you have $9,000. That's a nice vacation. $9,000? So I want you to think about how achievable this is. I'm someone who struggled from 1 to 4 months, $0 collected, revenue, whatever. I had $0. Following my steps and what I tell you, I can guarantee you will hit this within 1 to 4 months, if not 6 months. Okay? It is so achievable if you follow what you're told and you do it. Anyways, I just wanted to make that video just to show you guys exactly what is possible and how little clients you need. Oh, and I don't know how I forgot this, but the churn rate on this. The churn. If you're average 5 years, meaning you get 20 clients in 6 months, you don't need to worry about those clients leaving for another 5 years. And that's if you're average, but you're not. You're better than average. If you were running a social media marketing agency and you sign 20 clients, you're spinning your wheels again. You need to keep getting more clients because the maximum that they're going to stay with you is 3 months. Let's even say you get 20 clients as a social media marketing agency, you get 20 clients in 6 months and you kill it for them. Every single client, 100% success rate. It's never happened. I don't think it has, but if it has, it's very rare. 100% success rate. They're still gonna churn. Because if you blow up these 20 businesses, they're gonna have to fire you because they can't handle what you're bringing them, okay? So at some point, they are going to churn. With this, they have you for a minimum 5 years. Minimum, okay? If you do decent, good work, that number goes up. You can expect 5, 8, 10, 15 plus years. Let's say you're 25 years old. Hell, let's even say you're 30 and you get these clients. You don't have to worry about new clients until you're 35 years old. And again, that's even if you're average. I don't know how many times I have to say, if you're following my stuff, you're not. So I just wanted to make that video just to have you guys think about that and see the possibilities and really believe in yourself of what is achievable with a VAS-based business, okay? 20 clients, $8,000 a month, $6,000 to $7,000 a month in pure profit. That is life-changing money. That is freedom money. If you guys want to learn more, if you guys want to learn how to achieve these kind of results, I've got a newsletter link down below. Go ahead and join that newsletter. I'll be emailing you tips and tricks and stuff that you can take to actually start, grow, and scale your own VAS-based business. If you guys want more info content, go to my Instagram. I'll be posting more there. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching this. If you guys found some value in this, go ahead and click subscribe because I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.